Hello students, welcome to 8th standard English. Now we are going to the topic play Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack and the Beanstalk. First scene is over. I will teach the scene second. On the ground in the castle. Castle means a large building. Okay. See first narrator. During the night, the magic beans grew into the huge beanstalk. By morning, Beanstalk reached high into the sky. Jack was so surprised. See, narrator tell the story. During the night, the magic beans grew into high. Okay, high beanstalk. Jack, oh, this beanstalk is huge. So Jack tell, it's not believable. This beanstalk is huge. Narrator, Jack climbed and climbed. When he reached the top, he found a huge castle. Okay, see this Jack, that tree you climbed and climbed. When he reached the top, okay, see he found a huge castle, one building or one small huge one palace is there. Oh my, there is castle in the sky. I can't believe this. Jack is wonderful. Narrator, Jack crept inside. At the time, Jack slowly moved. Jack, everything is so big in here. Who believes in this big castle? This castle, who's anyone living here? There? Narrator. Suddenly, the floor began to shake. Okay. See, suddenly the floor shake. Jack, what is that noise? What is that noise? See next. Shouting. Fee, fee, foo, foo. I smell the blood of an Englishman. Be he alive or be he dead, I will grind his bones to make my bread. See, anyone stay there? Jack whispered. Oh no, it's giant. What can I do? There is any place to hide? Oh, there is a place. Okay, see, anyone living here that palace? Narrator. Jack hid in a cupboard and watched the giant ate 5 sheep for his meal. Then he called for his kin. Okay, see, first that giant eating 5 sheep for his meal. Then he called for his kin. Okay. After that he called for his kin. Giant, lay me a golden egg. Golden egg. See that Jack watched the amazement as he can laid a perfect golden egg. At the time, the ken laid a perfect golden egg. See, it's amazing. I wish I had that ken. Then mom and I would be rich. Okay. See, this he was home and gave and his golden egg to his mother. A mother was very happy. Okay, his mother was very happy that they got a golden egg. Okay, and her son was back alive. Okay, this is the scene 2. Next, scene 3 in the castle at home. Okay, at home. See, narrator. As soon as giant was full, he was asleep. Okay, giant seafood eat and sleep. Now he is asleep. I will take the ken and climb back down the beanstalk. At the time, Jack was climbed and top of the castle. Okay, Jack quickly picked up the giant's ken, but the ken began to squawk and flap with wings. Okay, see, suddenly the ken squawked and flapped the wings. Shh, be quiet. The giant wake up. Suddenly, the giant wake up. The giant wake up, shouting, fee, fee, fo, fum. I smell the blood of a human. Next, Jack. Oh no, time to go. Narrator. Jack ran back the beanstalk and climbed down as fast as he could. Giant. I will get you. Narrator. Jack reached the bottom of the beanstalk. Okay. See, Jack reached the bottom of the beanstalk. Mother. Jack, where have you been? Why do you have a ken? Jack. Hurry. Give me an axe. Okay, mother. Here you are. What you are going to do with an axe? What are you doing? What are you going to do with an axe? See, I have to chop the beanstalk down right now. Okay, see, beanstalk as quickly he fetched an axe from his house. Okay, with his axe, Jack chopped down the beanstalk. Okay, the beanstalk broke and the giant fell down and broke his crown, and the beanstalk came toppling after. As Jack's mother saw this, she panicked. Giant. Oh, narrator. The giant fell to the ground with a thud. She realized that it was her mistake. Okay, that she did not stop Jack from robbing things. Okay, oh my, it's Jane's Jack. What's going on? The magic beans grew into the huge beanstalk. So I climbed to the top and found in the giant castle. I watched this can lay perfect golden egg. Mother, are you telling me the truth, Jack? Jack, smile. Yes, mom. Oh, why? See, Jack was right. Then the hen laid a golden egg every day, and Jack and his mother were never poor again. Okay, see, she realized that it was her mistake, that she did not stop Jack from robbing things. Okay, Jack had become greedy and he could lose his life in all of this. She then went to Jack feeling sorry, explained to him, Jack, I am sorry. I should have taught you. What if the giant would have caught you? You would no longer no longer be standing with me today. Today's mother. I learned my lesson today. I will work hard to earn money. Okay, the Jack realized the lesson. Okay, mom, sorry, I learned my lesson today. I will work hard to earn money. Jack and his mother were very rich now, and they lived happily even after. This is the story. Okay, see, first say true or false. The magic beans grew into the huge beanstalk. True. Second one, the beanstalk reached the high into the sky in the evening. False. Third one, everything is so big in the castle. True. Fourth one, the hen laid a perfect iron egg. No, golden egg. False. Fifth question, Jack picked up in the giant's can. True. Okay. Students, 1 or 2 times read. Okay. Thank you, students.